ninyong linya. Wa kayo oh.
Wala pa na karito sa.
Sa Mariaque.
Scout out. Oh my honor, I will do my best to do my duty to God and my country, and to obey the Scout law, to help other people at all times, to keep myself physically strong and mentally awake and morally.
A Girl Scout honor is to be trusted. A Girl Scout is loyal. A Girl Scout is helpful. A Girl Scout is disciplined. A Girl Scout is thrifty.
And to his colleagues from Kauswagan High School family, to my colleagues also in Quezon Elementary School, Scouts, good morning. Prepare? Okay, so very good. Today is our second cluster encampment, no? So last.
Panadong! Sige adong! Gadang!
Okay, kaduha na ang roll. Roll.
Paulam sa kayda!
Agoy.
Oh, great campfire chief, it is my honor to present to you the scroll of tonight's campfire.
I can see that the program is well prepared. However, as the campfire chief, I have the authority to stop any presentation which dishonors our creator, our forefathers, our heroes, and government officials. I will stop the presentations which insult anybody or any culture. I designate you as the official master of the fire for tonight's campfire.
I promise to do my best. If I stay just a little bit longer, if I still want you listening.
Thank you for the ice cream, so good. Wow, delicious strawberry. Ice cream yummy. Ice cream good. Ice cream yummy. Ice cream good. Ice cream yummy.